Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Scratch That. So this is a special episode. So tomorrow I'm going to make Crockpot barbecue ribs featuring my favorite seasoning, Weber's chicken and rib seasoning. So what I'm doing tonight is I'm actually going to put this seasoning on the ribs and let it marinate overnight. And then I will come back and finish the recipe. So let's get it. I'm excited. Okay guys, so I have 4 tablespoons of Weber chicken and rib seasoning. I added in 1/4 of a teaspoon, you already know what it is, Cajun seasoning, and I also added in 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the ribs. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take some black pepper and just sprinkle it over the top. Now I am covering it with saran wrap so it can marinate overnight. Okay, these are all wrapped up and ready to go into the refrigerator overnight. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, good morning guys. It is time. Look at these ribs. Oh my goodness, they look delicious. So let's go ahead and get these in the crock pot. You just want to set them in kind of like I'm doing here. Just set them upright inside of the crock pot. Okay, that looks great. So I am going to put my lid on these and I want to turn it on low and let these cook for 7 to 8 hours. Okay, these ribs are ready. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some barbecue sauce. I added in a 1/2 cup of Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce, but you can add however much barbecue sauce or whichever flavor you like. So I just have my brush and I'm gonna just lightly brush the sauce onto these ribs. I put it in slow motion because it just looks good. So once you have all the sauce, you want to put it in the oven on broil for 1 to 2 minutes. So while that's in the oven, I'm going to make a really quick vegetable side. I have some riced cauliflower and some steamed fresh broccoli, some sharp white cheddar cheese that I cut in cubes. Now I cooked the broccoli and the rice cauliflower in the microwave. And now I just melted that butter and I put both of those into the pot. And I'm going to sprinkle in some salt, sprinkle in some pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and you know what's coming next guys, Cajun seasoning, just a little. It's optional, you don't have to do it, but you know I love it. And then I'm going to add in that cheese, and then I have some shredded Colby Jack cheese. That's about 1/4 of a cup. I'm going to add that in and just give it all a quick stir. Once it's all stirred up, you just want to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on the top, put it back over medium-high heat until all the cheese is nice and melted. Alright, while those veggies are on the stove, I went ahead and pulled the ribs out of the oven. Look at them. So delicious. All right, now it's time to plate everything up. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of paprika right on the top of those veggies. I'm gonna add my ribs to the plate, and it is almost time to taste it, you guys. I cannot wait. Moment of truth. Those vegetables are delicious. It definitely tastes like broccoli and rice casserole. I can barely taste the difference. So delicious, and the paprika just adds a smokiness to it. It's so good. Now for these ribs. I just want to eat it all right now. It's literally falling off the bone. It's so good. The flavors from that chicken and rib seasoning, the paprika, the Cajun seasoning, of course, and then the honey barbecue sauce on top. It is absolutely amazing. I definitely recommend that you guys try this recipe, and make sure you let me know in the comments if you like it and any other recipes that you want me to try. I am about to finish eating my dinner, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.